Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Obsidian, Logseq, and Anytype. In order to do so, here we are at obsidian.md, and we're also at logseq.com and anytype.io. To do a comparison, let's check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask from a variety of AI models questions at any time. According to Cider, Obsidian, Logseq, and Anytype are popular tools for note-taking, knowledge management, and personal information organization, but each has its different strengths and weaknesses. Focus with Obsidian is local first markdown based notes. It is highly flexible, customizable. It supports plugins and backlinks. It's ideal for creating a personal knowledge base. It's for researchers and writers who want full control over their data and a customizable workflow. Logseq, on the other hand, is outliner-based, privacy-focused, and has an interactive wiki. It has an outliner approach, bi-directional linking, built-in task management, supports privacy, and it's for knowledge workers who prefer an outline structure with task and calendar integration. Anytype is focused on privacy, network data, and flexible data types. It is no cloud dependency if desired, supports databases, rich data types, local sync options, and cross-platform. It's for users wanting a versatile, no-cloud personal knowledge system with more structure than traditional markdown notes. Which one is best? Well, it depends on your workflow. Obsidian is for deep interconnected markdown notes. Logseq is for outlining, task management, and privacy, and Anytype is for structured data, flexible collections, and privacy security. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started, including Cider AI, and you'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.